it was a pleasure to discuss at the Congress of a problem regarding the health, the mental health of adolescents. Actually, the problem is the increasing evidence of the media and the involvement of young people and sharing of pictures. Asking for approval is determining a major defect, a major problem regarding anxiety and regarding the ability to cope with the relation with the society. Evidence is that this problem is born since the availability of sharing methods in social media. The attitude of young people, adolescents, to share thousands, millions of pictures and trying to have the approval of friends determines a kind of run for the most important approval, and this determines a kind of lack of reward. They don't feel rewarded enough to be self-confident, and this lack of self-confidence determines a kind of bad feeling regarding society and regarding their position in society. What we would like to do with the project we're aiming forward is just to try to understand how to help, we can help these youngsters, these teenagers, supporting them and the relation with the society, trying to avoid the defects and the problems that have to be considered and defined as a body dysmorphic disorder. This is kind of problem related with the presence and the feeling of the beauty of their own body in the society.